My gosh, ang sarap! Mapa-Unli-Rice ako nito. Oh, the mushrooms is so tasty. So tasty, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video is my lunch. And I got here my leftover from breakfast. I still have this dalandan, or a kind of citrus fruit. It looks like an orange. And meron akong tanghimagas, fermented mango, fermented green mango. So ayan. And I get this one. I have a video on how I make this kind of rice. This one, red rice. And this is my own version. Here is my own version. Fish curry with celery stalks and mushrooms. I think this is shiitake mushrooms, the round one. And I get this green tea. So guys, let's eat. Alam guys kung paano niyan guys, na mapuputol ang aking ulo. Anyways, ang importante naman guys yung kinakain ko. Napuputol ang ulo ko guys kahit inano ko na, try kong tasa. Maybe that one. So much better than that. Ayan. So mas okay na siguro yan. So ito na yun at I will start eating. And I will now put the red rice on my bowl. In my bowl. Ayan. Umusok-usok siya. Kaya ako'y hindi pumayat kahit nag-exercise. Kasi masarap man. So guys, I will put a gravy over here. Gravy. Now, gravy from the curry fish is so delicious. I really like the taste of the gravy from a curry. Ayan guys. Ang sarap ng aking kain nito. Mapa-Unli-Rice talaga ako nito guys. Paano ako nito papayat? Ayan. So, kukuha ko ng isda. Ayan, si isda. Si fish. I already have a video on this, how you remove the stinky smell of the fish. So, when you eat it, hindi ka parang nasuka. Ayan. And yeah, ayaw gumamit ng chopstick. Mas gusto kong kutsara. Ayan, hawakan ko ng aking bowl. At ito na yun. Ito na yun. Ang sarap-sarap. Ayan. Delicioso. Rapsa. Sobra. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga guys. The mushrooms alone and celery is so tasty. Ang sarap guys. Nako. Mapa-Unli-Rice ako nito. Mushrooms and celery both are rich in vitamins. My gosh, ang sarap. Ano guys, the best part ng fish ay gusto ko yung sa stomach, guys. My favorite. Yun ang, lalo na yung milk fish or bangus. Favorite yung nasa tiyan, guys. Sarap. Naku, Mapa-Unli-Rice ako talaga dito, guys. Ang sarap. Delicious. I will eat a lot of rice nito. Oh my gosh. Ayaw kong hawakan, guys. Kasi maglalagkit ng kamay ko. Huhugas naman ako. Kamay na akong hugas. Tapos na akong kumain. Yan. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap. Delicious. Hindi sa dinadive ko, guys, kasi luto ko. It's really true. It's delicious. Hindi ako kuha, guys, kung hindi ako sarapan. Ilang minutes ako. For me. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ang piniferment ko na green mango. Tikman natin, guys. Ilang ko lang sarap. Tinin mo lang, guys. Yan. Fermented mango. Asim. Ang kakalintindat. Binigay sa akin ng kaibigan ko sa park. May pangako. Sana mayroon pa siya. Para dagdagan ko yung aking pag-ferment. So guys, hindi ko siya papahabain pa ang video. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe or ring the bell for notifications to get you updated whenever I have new videos uploaded. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye! Continue pa po kayo. Unli-rice po, guys. Unli-rice.